Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name's Cody Bills. Today is Tuesday the 19th. We had the market moving lower here today. Let's turn over to the grain hedge trading platform to see where we closed off the day. Corn down 6 cents, soybeans down 8 1/4 cents. Wheat in Chicago here down 11 1/2 cents. Looks as though the grains kind of reverted back to their primary trend here, moving lower. Let's take a look at export inspections. These finally came out. Yesterday they were delayed due to technical difficulties. They didn't come out first thing this morning, but they eventually did come out today, and you can see here that corn came in with 1.1 million metric tons here inspected for export. That was between analyst expectations of 900 to 1 million metric tons. Bottom line here, it was actually above analyst expectations, so that was very positive there. Soybeans coming in above analyst expectations as well, 341,000 metric tons inspected for export. Analysts were expecting anywhere between 125 to 225,000 metric tons. And wheat coming in right within analyst expectations, coming in with 309,000 metric tons inspected for export. That's between that 275 to 400 expected here by analysts. So bottom line here, you look at it, corn, soybeans both outperformed. Wheat came in within analyst expectations. I'd say that was an all right week. But the bottom line is that it looks as though the grains are trading lower. Let's take a look at the chart here. You'll notice this is the November contract. And you'll notice you had these lows set back here in late September, early October. We're trailing back over, we're cupping down on these lows, and it looks as though we're going to break through them. We did today. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some continuation selling here tomorrow. Oftentimes when you do break through these, you can even get some unwinding happening where once you go through there, stops are triggered, people are getting nervous and they're adding to some of that selling pressure. But just be cautious. You know, sometimes when you get that sort of initial impulse lower, oftentimes you can rebound up to that area that was support and now acts as resistance. You retest that a lot of the time. But like I said, I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow if we do see some continuation selling. So be cautious out there. It may not be a bad time to get a little bit of protection now that we've broken through this critical support level for this November soybean contract. When you look at the wheat contract, you'll notice that we're up there right around the 100-day moving average. Yesterday, we made a run at it, got up above it for a good part of the day, but ended up closing right at that 100-day moving average. Today, we ended up selling off from it. So it's going to be interesting to see. I think one of the big things that we need to keep in the back of our mind is that this primarily was a short covering rally last week that brought us up to these levels. Now we're sitting near this 100-day moving average. It is very possible that we could continue to consolidate around this price level and around the 100-day moving average and then break up past it for another leg of short covering. But when you look at the fundamentals here for wheat, I am concerned. I don't necessarily think we have enough fundamentally to go on to turn this into a bullish scenario. So if you do think there's another leg higher here in the wheat market, you might want to consider some sort of a call strategy if you're kind of in the camp that I am, which is you could see a little bit higher short covering, but this is really more of a selling opportunity, a pricing opportunity for producers than anything. Then you may want to consider possibly a put strategy or a combination of puts and calls. You can call the office if you're interested in learning about more what I'm talking about. The number is 877-472-4607. I look forward to speaking with you. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, please give the office a call. Otherwise, take a demo of the trading platform. See what it's like to have live quotes there on your desktop, in the palm of your hand when you're out and about and outside of the office. So it is a great marketing tool over here at Grain Hedge, and we look forward to sharing and teaching you how to use it in this year's marketing plan. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here on Wednesday.